Hi guys, my name is Costa and today I'm gonna show you how to create this little interaction slash animation in Framer. So I created this in Figma and now I will select both of the icons, move them inside the breakpoint, press Ctrl Alt Enter to create a stack, select the icons and I will call this light icon and this one dark icon. And the stack is gonna be icons. Select both of them, change the position from relative to absolute, center them, and make sure the light icon has a z-index of 2 and the dark icon has a z-index of 1. Select the stack and change the width from relative to fixed and make sure the size is the same as the icons. Now go to overflow and change to visible. Next I will create the images. Switch to image now, click on plugins, select Lomi and select a random image. Add a radius of 32 pixels and a border of 8 pixels and make it white. Right click, create a component. Go to fill, create an image variable. Now go back to home, duplicate this 2 times. Let me add some other images. Select all 3 of them. Lock the size. Press Ctrl X, select the icons and paste them inside. Change the position from relative to absolute. Make them smaller. And click on center, move them up. Now I will rotate this one and move it to the right, and this one move it to the left, and this one I will move it up a bit. This looks good. Select the icons stack, right click, create a component, create a new variant, move it further away. Now I will move those images outside the folder. Select the first variant, drag it to the second one, click on mouse enter. Now select the second variant, drag it to the first one and click on mouse leave. Click on home and let's preview our interaction. And this looks really nice. So that is it for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.